amazing. Today on the 25th of April 2025, and we have Storgatan 31 here in Tranås, in Jönköping County, Jönköping län, Sweden. Also on the ASEA-Graham grid train lines that originate from Norrköping and Linköping here.
Yeah.
The west is 3 persons modern programs. This has been finished in 1965 here. And let's see what this says on the door. 65.
Yeah.
Very amazing. Could be the beginning of 65 maybe. 6 floors. There's 2 basement floors in the ground floor and 3 above ground floors.
Yeah.
Straight 3 rides here. It doesn't have the serial number there.
Yeah.
So far the best here in Tranås today, and the best today so far.
Yeah.
Let's see if anything will top this.
Yeah.
And on the street too.
Yeah. Also best for me, even I got 2 1971 ASEA-Graham elevators.
Yeah, this is still better.
Yeah.
Even better than that. Amazing.
Yeah.
And this had an almost impossible code.
Yeah.
But you almost was giving up. You were almost giving up when it was
Yeah.
impossible.
He's did by the Grand Maintenance Bike Cone.
But luckily you didn't give up.
Yeah.
Am I right? 65 now.
Yeah.
Third ride. I love the sound festival here. Sadly, this type of ASEA-Graham has become too rare in Sweden, but
Yeah.
still we can still find a few of them.
Yeah.
But especially if we're in Stockholm region, there's the few of them.
Yeah. Maybe these are more common in Poland nowadays.
Maybe.
Also in Bulgaria.
Yeah, Bulgaria, of course. And thank you very much for watching.
That's